ndete tuikaranza se twagringa eshida ya gusina abagambi to a greater extent abagambi nabo batuletera down muna abananchi bagusi ndete abagambi mwezi pia simbole montegera mwezi pi barimo kole video shared to abagambi abo batumira bonsi pi e video barole because they are on there umugusi umusacha n'umugungu bari very hard working squeeze mpaka basubati baito bayikirase bakoraki bakogacha mpaka chinyumba musubati akonde kyombe onyora akabesa kuruo ura mabati ogacha umugakolete emete inyumba terate henu musubati oyuyu onyeoma onyerenda ntebi nakibata kwacha chinyumba abantu bagusi bari very hard working kama gobuli bone problem yekurwera evyongozi you are not putting the right infrastructure yoko konyo mugusi yakine. Some of you more confused the moment what I'm talking about. Let me tell you, boni igo imukini kusi ogenda kwa gache nyumba na yokurushia macho kwa gachera nkayi okurushia macho okwa gachera edo kunyege sima nende sima ke kuwak asaundo barangi na roje onye kuroje ke tunu mache tayo, so you have to go mpaka roje buya mache acho koraki kwa gachera boni gori yo mugako 60 years umubulinga yakarushira mache karomoke aho koroki roje ru kale mate onye romo no 60 years umubulinga yakarushira mache ndoje nenduri kyo mwana obono iga ole myaka 10 osisita umubulinga yakurushia mache aho koroki roje ruri meaning nga nduranyora bado a serious change iralete the social amenities next to the people. Nduranyora leader ikaranze ya tabrina ki no, just like it happens in Central Kenya. Bunika asinokola kana chinza machindi chabo gere na hintu tigabu na gusiga tonyora mache aho chanka. Ndede by example ga, you know, we have to be very serious as we speak today. Squeeze una chika asitaka hiyo mondago soma ende school takonyora gasi umuntu uyu mwana uyu yabidi ondo agende pipi balibo ikire form barojenga oyu kuri university taranyora gasi ingi yako pipi yako ani na baba weka form 2 form 3 form 4 bagenda kwa pipi because it is the most easily available source of employment. Keraba enda kwa ende pipi abantu bagenda Nairobi industry area okora chigasi abasubati squeeze bagosoka basubiri cyenga town bagusubiri abantu banyolebesa batumaka abandi bakire Saudi Arabia abandi Qatar koma onyoranga umugako ite 75 years and above alibiyeke kinyorime umungi no 75 years alibiyeke kinyorime. Honestly speaking nga mugo chero mu mniroje abachukuru abandi bibi bakoni bagure chi family chabo squeeze abana bandi bago tokonyoma mapema kama onyoro muntu uchire Nairobi kurigiriki familia abana bandi chitoni bamete yakogera ukabirigiri kama onyoro mungina biye kole kinyoro ndiya kucha buya machi ukunyu kuru chama hati paka mwa nyumba ndiya kucha nyora machai nge yomo gongol abangina bakale bakanyora abana nge 15 13 baba wata abana 13 abangina buna abunge bakurushe megongo yuchira roje. Where do they get the energy yokuchukuya machi kuru roje? Kusintu batu roje ronne sana roko kugucha roko kwa machi paka leki Victoria. Ntonya kwa nyara kiongozi ki karansi yazi yote anga ki no, let us put our efforts together tunyole dam amacha ruwebu afe supplied ujibi tuno atilmoke kuchemechi. Let us get the infrastructure ukiya macha hibi tuno. Nobody has come up with that idea. Perhaps sisi tanya konyora bugambi kama onyora bangona bandega kiraba gusiba ko chamo they are saying no ndotakiti ketote anga let us stand behind Dr. Kingo Fred Matiang'i abantu bakana nkayi o expected you mongno utabu at mogongo ole myaka 75 and above arus chingu chugo jira roche honestly speaking So here is where viongozi comes in. Leaders vaita vakusima, especially chembe chetu. Already tufuata some infrastructure ama chanaro awika through some other avenues. No guru one example. Keroka sanara guru gwetangi. Ama chanaro. Akora cho once in a while, I think so. On double level, nobody ngabata macha ichin so. You'll be surprised. Aba kisan. The rest of the people paka amametang netang iba ko genda ruche. Because the leaders have not put the right infrastructure, choko konya wandonyora machinga chap. How beautiful will it be? Umugaka ubuka mambi, utai tap, uyule tap on machi aichurendo or ngombe yanyu. How beautiful will it be? Mundu ka nduzi bi umwana uzichianga amacha kutakuru tap na charara. Abana bakoraki. Possible buchianga abande besibi abande banyu. It will be very beautiful. Inero kusito kana tufukorwa se viongozi vyetu. Yanda chiskuru chitoba ni HACD. Because even the normal schools, our schools are in a poor condition. Very poor condition. Moni gamoro chiskuru ya beteka the juice. Ewata maomo. Ama ladies and gentlemen. Iruji kuona no komo njanya komo. MCA nero, MP nero, Senator nero, Governor nero, Women Rep nero. Pagoche empowerment programs kila tuko. Lakini ngondote yonya ku imagininga schools ya usi jimete ko done. Chiyo mpichinde chibwate chivesi nyike kubabwa. Chiko gaje chiskuru, chiko raba, omuntu gaje skuru kuru 0 to the last part. P, onye gaje wika paka dom kire gento, skuru ingi. Enitili kuirenga gaje chivesi nyingi. Why is it that it is not possible skuru kusinjiri kwa gaje? Why is it that it is not possible by MPs not to build? Why is it not possible for them to build schools just like other people? Ndoli bangi kuba bantu bande Kenya. It is not fair at all. Our leaders vagusi. We want you guys to wake up and work for the people of the Gusii region. Of the Gusii region. Kwa nyoro mwana OECD. Icho hako genda. Nero abana bali banda bande bako genda. Nero abanda bande bako genda. Paka boni as we speak, abana maro bako chance to school. Honestly speaking, our leaders in the Gusii region, you have to wake up. Juzi Simbarati na sta kwa nige ndete kango. Kieke muyoka. Atebetenga. Aba leaders Simbaro bali behind Matiang'i. Mbali ko koragasi. Nani ateko koragasi ntuma ito. But leaders Simbaro bali behind Dr. King of Fred Matiang'i. Pamusumberete. Pate ya Matiang'i. Bako tale tale Matiang'i. But mbali ko koragasi. Get out of Matiang'i. Kianda koragasi. Kianda koragasi in 2027. Go chayora abantu. Ngo angole Matiang'i bosa. Kianda koragasi. To akuzucha kubule Matiang'i kata kurwanirete. Go work. Matiang'i was very clear. Ondete yajo go favor. Which means awatorete nomination. Abana inchi bachoro mondoli okoreki egasi no yorwachi kuba koreki egasi. Abande ba kwarale isiko. That is how it is going to be. Kurwabuli nomination ya koru Matiang'i amagubwatero. But in the meantime, onye mutete ko ba safe work. I don't want to focus on peace ya UDA. But bali next to Matiang'i bali one term. Waikamba kune paka makole gasi. Anthony Kibagende. Bono drama chair egasi yako. Chichonjiro chair nge capture juice no mungwana gete. Of course nimede chi competitor chiago, but once ba ngoro kire ngendo kirali I will still have to talk about it. Echo yaga jire nyi yakra kiro already. Choti wadi match injiri chiri cha kawaida. Kire chi jire ngi chiko. Let us have proper infrastructure in our schools. Anthony Kibagende. Muna toko rata MPs ba kora chigas ba launch projects. Na hindu tiga tole project jo launch. Na nya kora Anthony Kibagende ka launch project entire time abere as a minister, as a member of parliament. Ndura amora ko launch project here tangible. Ngorge ya. Abana mo de chibasa. Abana school vento nya chibasa pusa. Chibasa ibadu ne CDF tali chapusa ba ko tali ngozi chumu ndaguruzie pocket ya imo ochienana. So in a nutshell, we want our schools to be built and good work to be done. Ladies and gentlemen, Jafet Nyakundi auto tenga chipara kwa gacha. Chipara kura chikwa gacha. Yes. But CDF chidokwa wa inki okora. Njoga jebe secho. When other people are building schools, you people, you are using your money to build your homes. Waro chumu ngwana kakolonche mansion. In 2 years, chi mansion ya ajirenga. Chi nyingi. Chibe sa babuata. Iba kwenda right, left and center. Kai chibe se chikoru. Obu hivi. Endoko wakate kabisa. Okurangilia hundu wachi kuragira buogu. Nga kwa kachire nyumba. Parabu babuata maomu pameta ime. Abana babu baisraeli bali kachinka. Babuata school fees. It's a shame. Barongo MP. Go work. Go work. Ground ingeli kia. Inuka nyogo chukana na mbasa matiangi. Muliko kwa ragasi ground. Yama denga matiangi amanyire because of Vegas. Anchire because of Vegas. The moment tuku ikirasi tuchu waka chukura. Itu wakiro monto. Ukorete gasi. Tali monto. Orangi na matiangi. O monto ukorete gasi. A nomination no tuchu ukura ni anainu. Matiangi toko mwa leaders after nomination. But deal na bochiwo. But before nomination, make sure makorete gasi. E ground kibekia. Cliff is a remote, but still you're not there. Keep working. Tiga siya kurutunyore. Tiga korachika siya county. Korachika siya kumne member of parliament. Make sure that schools are well done. Corona any very but let them be done well. Kill the primary schools in Atomete. It is a school within the town. But in infrastructure, it's almost the same. We cannot allow such kind of laziness as leaders, right? Be leaders who want to deliver and bring change within our community. Because of our leaders. Nyaliboli eraga inde mbledu chiparesa likarosi. Tabu atine idea other than chipare chichasa likire. Nkiri ndikimento korosu. Visionless leaders. Vision tejo. Then we expect to grow. Nyalibu ECD classes. Now, is there even one that has been done? Go check. We want ECD classes to be done. All of them in the entire Nyamira County. Where is the money going? I'm going to do an extensive video to question the expenditure of the public funds in Nyamira County. Because into my ide, ejirele kwa gacha kerokali, World Bank kwa gacha. Nyagitari ya gacha tuwali keroka, World Bank kwa gacha. We are going to ask questions ngaki. World Bank ya gacha revi ana Nyalibu's leadership. Lakichi besi account yojingi chia gacha. Let's meet on the comment section. Share with me. Leaders wake up. Please a video ya share with just leaders once. But wake up. Let them wake up. Kindly make sure that you subscribe. For those who support the channel, don't feel ashamed. Support the channel. Thank you so much. May God bless you.